Bindweed grows quickly and can be tricky to get rid of because of its deep roots, but it's not invincible. There are a few different ways you can get rid of it. The easiest option is to pull up bindweed by hand whenever you weed your garden. If you're consistent, eventually the roots underground will die. You can also smother bindweed to kill it by covering it with a layer of landscape fabric or cardboard, then adding a layer of organic mulch on top. Leave the mulch in place for at least a year, although longer is better, and pull out any sprouts that pop up around it. Glyphosate herbicides can also be used to get rid of bindweed. Apply the herbicide when the bindweed is flowering. You'll need to do multiple applications to fully kill the plant. Just keep in mind that herbicides will also kill any surrounding plants, so it's best to only use them as a last resort.